How do you gain confidence to let your plays ride out? Well, that takes adding tools to your tool belt, learning support and resistance. You name it, it all works, but it's different strokes for different folks. What is support and resistance, right? Essentially, you're looking at where buyers and sellers are reacting the most when it comes to a specific price level. So we're gonna define support resistance, and then I'm going to give y'all the business, okay? The support and resistance levels represents price levels where the price tends to reverse or consolidate. Support, a price level where demand is strong enough to prevent further price decline. It acts as a floor. Resistance, a price level where selling pressure prevents further price increases. It acts as a ceiling. So how do you use it? Okay, so essentially we identify the levels on the chart. Then we look for price action signals. So candlestick patterns or chart patterns, yada, 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 right? And at these points, then we combine with other indicators like volume and profile or whatever for confirmation, MACD, whatever the heck you use for your skill set. So the first thing we're gonna look for is your floor and your ceiling, okay? How do I identify what my support and resistances are? Well, I look at where we're wicking at the top for my resistance, and I'm looking for where there's more than 2 touches. So I'd rather see 3 touches of a line to consider it some type of resistance. So for me, that's like right here, but this is on the daily. So on the daily, this for me would essentially be my floor. Then I don't really see a lot of options here for this day time frame being in this new category. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in. I take what the market gives me. This could be a resistance. So if we fall below 610, that's our signal 1. And then if we fall below 609, that's our signal 2 of some resistance, some selling pressure. So, but I want to zoom in to see closer to where we are. So I'm going to go to the 4 hour. When you start to zoom in from the weekly to the 4 hour, from the 4 hour to the 65 minute to the 1 hour, whatever you do, then you check your lines to see how is it matching up, right? Well, it's pretty on point right now. We're in new territory. So let's zoom in to the 65 minute. Still not getting much, but we know where our ceiling is, where our high is. We got 2 points right here, okay? And I'm gonna tag that red. And then I'm gonna zoom in a little further. Let's go to 1 hour. Now I got 3 points of contact. It's not much of a resistance, but I'm gonna take it because that's what I got for now. Right now, the 1 hour chart is telling me that we're having a hard time getting above 613.08. Now, I'm also looking to see where my floor is as I zoomed in. Your floor is likely going to be where previous resistance is that now became support. So I think we're pretty much good right here at 610. The closer I get, the more clear things can get for like shorter term trades. This is the stuff we need to know. This is the stuff that builds confidence in your plays, in your positions. Hopefully y'all can appreciate the game that I just gave. Welcome to Stocks for Real, Sacrifice for Riches. If you've been following my channel, you already know that it's about more than charts and plays. It's about building discipline, confidence, and a community of traders who look out for each other. By joining as a member, you're not just supporting the channel, you're unlocking tools and resources designed to help you grow as a trader. From rapid fire chart analysis and priority ticker requests to exclusive trade breakdowns and live Q&A sessions, everything we do here is built to give you clarity in this market. You don't just watch me trade. You get to learn the mindset, the setups, and the strategies behind the moves. And the real benefit is that you'll be a part of a community that's committed to growth, accountability, and winning together. Whether you're just getting started or you've just been in the market for years, there's a tier that fits you where you're at. And no matter which one you choose, you'll know that you're investing back into your own development while helping me keep the content real, raw, and consistent. So if you're ready to level up your trading and join the community that values growth over hype, hit the join button and let's build together. I'll see you in the members tier and I'll see you in the Discord. Take care.